In this video, I am going to show you how to fix screen brightness issue on Windows 10 and or 11. Fix 1. Using shortcut keys. If you're unable to adjust brightness using your system settings, try using shortcut keys. On laptops, look for the keys like F3, 4 or F5 with the brightness icon. Press these keys to use the function key along with the up and down arrow keys to adjust brightness. Fix 2. Troubleshoot power settings. Click on the Windows search bar and type Troubleshoot. Select Troubleshoot settings from the suggestions. Click on Additional Troubleshooters and locate Power and then click on it to run the troubleshooter. To fix any power-related issues. Fix 3. Update display drivers. Right-click on the Windows icon and choose Device Manager from the list. Look for display adapters and right-click on your display adapter. Click Update Driver and then let Windows automatically update the driver. After installing the new driver, check if the issue is resolved. Fix 4. Update monitor drivers. In the Device Manager, locate Monitors and double-click to expand. Right-click on your monitor and select Update Driver. Choose Search Automatically for drivers and disable and re-enable the monitor driver if the issue persists. Fix 5. Adjust automatic brightness settings. Go to Settings, System, Display. If available, disable Change Brightness automatically when lighting changes. 6. Use Manufacturer Support Assistant. Download and install the Support Assistant of your laptop or PC manufacturer. Launch the Support Access Assistant and it will look for fixes while it diagnoses your PCs for any issues. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more. In this